Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel Numeric Nest, and in this video we are going to find out the length of y, which is this side. So let's start. First of all, look at this shape. The area of this shape is a 36 centimeter square, and one side length is given, which is a 6 centimeter. So if this is a 6 centimeters, this is also 6 centimeter, we need to find this length of this side. So area of shape is a given. Shape this is equal to 36 centimeter square. Also given a breadth. Breadth of shape this is a 6 centimeters. So we need this side length. Length is equal to 36 centimeter square over 6 centimeter. Divide these two values, then we get 6 centimeter. So this implies the length of this side is a 6 centimeter. So here we write 6 centimeter. Now focus on this point. If this is a 6 centimeter, this implies this also 6 centimeter because this is a equal in length. Now focus on this second shape. This is maybe a rectangle or a square. So but we just need the length of this side. To find the length of this side, consider this is a rectangle, or you can also consider this by square, because the method to find the area of the rectangle and square is the same. We multiply this side and this side and we get this area. In this case the area is given, which is a 48 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is a this given, which is a 48 centimeter square, and length is given. Length of rectangle this is also equal to 6 centimeter. So we need the breadth of rectangle. This is equal to area, which is a 48 centimeter. Divide this by length, which is a 6 centimeter. Divide these two values, then we get 8 centimeter. This is the breadth of rectangle. So this implies this side is a 8 centimeter. If this one is a 8 centimeter, this one is also 8 centimeter, because this and this side is opposite side of rectangle. So this side is a 8 centimeter. We need the length of this side, and area is given, which is a 64 centimeter square. Let's consider this is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is a given, which is a 64 centimeter square, and breadth of rectangle is a 8 centimeter. So the length will become a 64 centimeter square. Divide this by breadth is a 8 centimeter. We get 8 centimeter. So length of rectangle is a 8 centimeter. This implies the length of this side is a 8 centimeter. Now look at this next shape. This is a area of this shape is a 32 centimeter. Focus on this length. This is a 8 centimeter. This implies this length is also a 8 centimeter, and its area is a 32 centimeter square. Now we need the breast area is 32 centimeter square, and length is given, which is a 8 centimeter. Now we find the breadth of rectangle, which is equal to area. Divide this area by length, which is a 8 centimeter. So we get 4 centimeter. This is the breadth of the rectangle. So this side is a 8 and we find this breadth which is a 4 centimeter. If this one is a 4, now focus on this next shape. The area of this is a 28 centimeter square and this side is a 4 centimeter square. So we need the length of this side. For this we also divide this area by this side is a 4. We get, to find the length of this side, we divide the area which is a 28 centimeter square by one side is a 4. So divide these two value, we get 7 centimeter. So the length of this side is a 7 centimeter. This side length is a 7. This implies the length of this side is also a 7 centimeter. So length of this side is a 7 centimeter. We find the length of this side. The area of a given which is a 42 centimeter. So the area is a area of rectangle is a 42 centimeter square and length is a 7 centimeter. We need the length from this point to this point, which is a breadth of rectangle, which is equal to, divide this area by length is a 7 centimeter. Divide these two values, then we get 6 centimeter. So this is the required length, which is a, this one y is equal to 6 centimeter, and this is our required length, and we have